We're waiting for who? I'm waiting for Nat to come out of Subway. He's refilling his drink again. Should be coming soon. Any minute now.
I think I put a little too much in the cup because it I filled it up and I put ice in there when it was full, so it all exploded all over me.
That explains why you took so long.
And then I
you
put the
shoved
lid
it.
on and what? What?
You shoved it. Oh, I thought you shoved the straws in. They're already in there.
They're already in there. But I put the lid on, and because the Coke was literally overflowing, I put it on and it blew up all over my hand and stuff.
No, you're sticky.
Man,
You're not holding my hands.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
It's really attractive.
Miss April drinking Coke.
No, I'm done.
How good are fountain drinks, eh? They just taste so much better than they do out of the bottle. It's so it's a well-known, yeah. What do you think we're drinking?
I didn't even know they were called fountain drinks.
Pat, pat. Pat, pat. Hey, can I wear your glasses? Oh, yeah, baby.
I like it.
Rip it up.
These glasses are pretty cool.
Yep. Let's see in the reflection. What was that? You're just like...
No, I was looking at your glasses. I'm sick now.
April convinced me to go swimming with her.
And I have no makeup on.
And
You
then,
shouldn't be getting me a gun with my makeup.
We couldn't find any place in the water that wasn't rocks.
But it's not windy.
Huh? Still put
I
it.
think it's attractive.
Oh snap.
It's very attractive.
Hey, is my camera back on now?
I'm wearing it.
Oh. Look at that. It's a good mix.
That's saliva. Whoa, I thought we'd drunken heaps.
No, but I filled it back up. Remember?
I guess
I
not.
just walked out of there. So, and I told a story about how I feel.
I know, but I thought I drank heaps. Look, my stomach is really, really full. Right, Nat? My hand's shaking, look. I feel it. What are you doing? This is Bunbury.
We need a Starbucks.
That's the sun.
I'm not wearing a helmet.
Why not? Yeah, you have to. It's the law.
No, I'm not wearing a helmet.
Yeah, you are.
It's weird glasses. Good honey.
See it?
See, April feels sick. She feels full from eating like half a sandwich at Subway.
No, it's from all the Coke, because Coke, it has acid.
Yeah, and now she's drinking more Coke.
You give it to me. How am I supposed to not drink it? We should go up there. No?
What?
We should go up there.
Yeah, let's go podcasting on top of the car park. Oh, you cannot tell me that's your ringtone.
Hello? Okay, we'll come
He
over.
lied. It's pretty. April's on the phone to her daddy.
Alright, we gotta hurry.
I think we're busted.
My hand keeps shaking, it's so annoying.
Hello. April doesn't have a very steady hand.
I'm serious, look my... Well, that sucks.
Rain.
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 Oi.
Rain. Oh, you just filming?
Yeah. Really? What's that? Jessie.
Oh, they're the letters I was telling you about that he was pulling out and putting back in.
Say hello. Jessie. Hi, say hi. Say hi, I'm Justin.
Yeah.
Say it. Hi, I'm Justin.
Hello.
Hello. I'm trying to get your face in. Hi, I'm Flopper. What's wrong?
Hello. Bob.
Hi Bob, nice to meet you. Shake my hand. Oi, Bobby's over here.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
I'm really shy and I don't know what to say.
How about,
Woo!
how about weenus?
Brown.
Do you want me to do it again?
No, it's fine, really. You normally do this when you touch grass, because you went loopy as soon as you touch the grass. That didn't really work. Look, I'll show you how to run.
Just do it. No, I'll do it better.
The wall. You gotta run! It's called running up a wall, keyword run.
I'll run from here.
Dun 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 dun.
Oh. She thinks she can do better than what I just did.
Yeah, I can.
Oh, that was only one step. Mine was better. Let's have a comparison. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to attempt to run up the wall and stay up there. Here we go. Are you pumped, April?
Not really.
You should be.
Okay, I'm pumped.
Okay, good. That's what I like to hear. Alright. Nat!
Nat! Nat! Nat! Nat! Nat! Nat! Come on, go! Nat!
No, I
Nat.
just like hearing it. Alright, stop. Oh. Oh. Ow! That really...
There's ants on that wall.
I'm just kidding, it didn't really hurt.
Right.
Fine, it was all for show. Turn that thing off. Do the catwalk.